So if you want to fix the aspect ratio on your Vizio TV, well, there are a few things that you may need to do. So first is you want to open the menu. So you want to press the menu button on your Vizio remote. So use the arrow keys to scroll to picture or display settings. Now you want to go and just basically choose the picture menu. So inside the picture menu here, you want to look for the aspect ratio option. So depending on your TV model. Now it might also be under picture mode here. So look for something similar to that. So from then on, you want to go and choose options like wide, normal, or even zoom or stretch. So there are different aspect ratios to choose from. So go and choose one that fits your needs. Now, also, you may want to go to your advanced picture settings as well. So if available, here you can tweak things like overscan, size, position to fine tune how the image appears. This is just for like if you're picky on how it looks like. So there's a further customization that you could do. Now, if the picture still looks off, adjust the display settings as well on your cable box, so streaming device or DVD player to match your TV's aspect ratio. So usually it's going to be 16:9, but you can go and change that to a different one if you want. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.